Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how we can accept some user input. So if you're ready, let's get started. So now we're already familiar with the character output statement followed by the insertion operator, which is two left angle brackets for printing text onto the console. So to accept some user input, we type cin, which stands for character input, then follow it but with the extraction operator, which is two right angle brackets. So for our demonstration, and we're going to ask a user for their name. So before we do that, I want to show you something I forgot to mention in my video on data types. So in C++, C++ provides us with the string data type, which takes in a string of characters, either within single or double quotes. But I prefer using double quotes. And then you can type anything in it. And then when we print the value of name, and I now print the value of name, you should see that it outputs real this because that's what I typed in. So now for demonstration, we are going to declare the variable but not yet assign it. So we'll just get rid of this assignment, and now we'll create a prompt for the user. So enter your name, then character input, extraction operator, name, and then when I run it, and you can see that we are now able to type in something. But before you can be able to type in something, you are probably running your C++ code in the output. So in order to run it in the terminal so that we can type in something, just go to your settings. I'll just close this for now. Then search run in terminal. Yeah, then make sure this is checked so that you can able to run your code in the terminal. And then when I open back the terminal, so to toggle on and off the terminal, you can either use this button here, or the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl J for Windows and Linux, then Command J for Mac. So now we can type in something. And yeah, as we are able to type in something, we don't, like, the program just ended, nothing really happened. That's because we haven't used the input for anything. So at the end of the program, we'll just say hello, then whatever the user typed in. Now when I run this, and type in my name, you should see that it welcomes me, like says hello, then whatever your name is. So now you might want to accept someone's full name, like you tell them to add their full name. So let's try that. And then I'll just use my YouTube channel name, which is Real Code. Make sure you subscribe. Then Real Code. Hey, what happened? The space, then the text after the space was left out. That's the problem with the character input statement. It doesn't accept anything that has spaces in it. So to fix that, instead of using character input directly, we use the getline method. Then we type getline parentheses, then within the parentheses you then type the character input, then your variable name, character input comma, then your variable name, which is like this. And when you run it, you see that if I now type in my full name, you see it outputs hello, then whatever your full name is, it includes everything in after the space. So now we'll ask a user for their age, their height, and ask if they're a student or not. So int age double height, then bool, short for boolean, is student. And then we'll create prompt for the user. So tell them to enter your name, or let's make it full name to have better knowledge with the getline method. Enter your full name, getline, character input, name, semicolon, then enter your age, character input, age, then enter your height in centimeters, then character input, height, then finally character output. Are you a student? True equals 1, false equals 0. And this is are you true, and then semicolon space. Yeah, you might be wondering what the hell is happening here. Well, in C++, it doesn't just output true or false straight up. It outputs either 1 or 0. So 1 is true, then 0 is false. And character input is student. Now let's make use of all these inputs, sorry. So we'll just say hello, then whatever your name is. Then maybe we'll just bring it to a new line. So end line, character output, you are age, years old, new line, then character output, you are height, cm tall, then new line. And now we aren't just gonna type this straight, we're gonna use an if statement for it to make it look more, well, I don't know, more, you get the idea. So you will just use if statements. Don't worry, this is a topic for another day. So if is student, so if is student, character output, oh my god, you are a student, else character output, you are not a student. Sorry, I will just type this well. You are not a student. Then okay, the whole program is done. So now let's test this. So enter my full name, enter my age at 14, enter my height 150.5. That's the last time I checked. Then are you a student? Yep, I am a student. So I'll type 1 for true and see. Hello, real code. You are 14 years old. You are 150.5 cm tall, and you are a student. And that's it. Alright everyone, that's all you gotta know about accepting user input in C++. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, make sure you subscribe and drop a comment down below. Maybe you got a few questions you can ask. Don't worry, I'll attend to them. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.